Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and you join me today for a very exciting video. After 3 months of being in the garage, having the engine rebuilt, today is the day that I am at Sanspeed in Bexley Heath to have my Tiger Avon tuned, ready for the track day in a couple of weeks' time. Okay, so first things first, they've got the car up on the rolling road, got it all strapped down and got it plugged into their laptop. They've uploaded another base map. I was given a base map by Omex just to get the car running, but it wasn't sufficient for what we're doing here today. So they've uploaded another base map, and now they're just tweaking as they go. They haven't actually done a proper run yet on the dyno. They're just playing around with the carbs at the moment and trying to get the mixture right. It transpires that the carbs that I've got on the car, which is what came with the car, aren't best suited to this particular engine. There are other versions of these carbs that do a better job when matched up with the 2-litre Zetec, but this is the cards that I've been dealt, and so this is what we'll play with today. These guys here are so experienced at dealing with these sorts of situations, and so they're now busy squirreling away through the engine trying to get the carb mixture right before we start to really ramp up the revs and see what kind of brake horsepower we're going to get out of it. Okay, so we've done the first few runs. We've got the ignition sorted out now. The guys are happy with how the carbs are set up. As I said, not the best suited carbs for this type of car, but they've done the best with what they've got. Done the first couple of runs and we've got it up to just under 160 BHP. I'm not chasing a number today. Specifically, I've told them, what I use the car for and what I need it to do. But I think we're probably going to end up somewhere around the 160, 165 mark. Okay guys, we're all finished up here at Sanspeed in Bexley Heath. The car ended up doing 159 BHP at the flywheel, so I'm really happy with that result. Bearing in mind my car weighs give or take 600 kilos, that's give or take 270 brake horsepower per tonne, which puts me firmly in Porsche 911 territory, which I am over the moon about. I'm really looking forward now to Bedford Autodrome in 3 days' time. It's been a huge amount of work over the last 3 months to get the car in a position to be track ready again, and I'm delighted that it's ready just in time for the track season to begin. So next stop, Bedford Autodrome in a few days. I'll be doing a video there as I kind of build up the car and test out all the components, making sure everything works as it should do. But if today is anything to go by, it's going to be a really fun day. So I hope you can join me then. Cheers guys, until next time.